It's zucchini season and I love zucchini bread. We're gonna make a dark chocolate zucchini bread. The worst thing about making zucchini bread is grating the zucchini, but with this recipe, you don't have to grate it. We just have to chop them up and put them in the blender. My trusty blender, if you don't have a blender, use a food processor. I've got the 2 chopped zucchini, 2 eggs, and half a cup of cocoa powder. We're gonna blend it up. Now we're gonna add 3 pitted Meadowwool dates. I'm just gonna break them in half. This is a half of a cup of tahina, half of a cup of maple syrup, vanilla, 1.5 teaspoons of baking soda, 1.5. So we're gonna use a cup of chips total. I'm gonna use dark chocolate chips. We're gonna fold a half of it in it now and put half on top. So instead of 1 big loaf pan, I'm doing 4 minis. We only needed 3 of these mini pans. We need another half cup of chips. Just for fun, I'm gonna use peanut butter chips. 350-degree oven, I'm gonna check them in 40 minutes. It's delicious. Your children are gonna have no idea there is zucchini in here. Your husband is gonna have no idea there's zucchini in here. Nobody's gonna know.